Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Ben Beecher. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our page to stay current with all of the newest inventory. Today we'll be taking you through the 2020 Harris 250 Crowne. As you can see on the exterior of this boat, it's a beautiful fusion red color. It really stands out on the lake. To come around the back of the boat here, you're going to see color changing underwater LED lights. They actually can be set to whatever color you prefer, or I like to have it cycle through all colors, and we'll match the colors inside of the boat and the cup holders as well. As we go up this nice 4-rung heavy-duty extra wide ladder here, notice this boat's powered by a Merc 350. Also back here you have your safety gate going all the way around the back. Okay, you have your speakers out the back here so you can listen to your favorite tunes on a day out on the water, and plenty of storage underneath the seat. There's your battery charger and battery switches. Underneath this seat here is your insulated draining cooler. And plenty of cup holders back here. And you have this backrest here that is power. Flip this switch right here. You can see that this backrest is going to flip around and make this a nice large sun lounger in the back of the boat. As we walk into the cockpit, you can admire this dune interior. Looks really nice with this package. Nice seating arrangement. Here at the helm, you're going to have the digital throttle system and power assist steering, Simrad Go 9 electronics, and JL audio. As we walk forward, there's going to be plenty of storage in this boat. You have in-floor storage, under helm storage, and under seat storage. All these seats. You have flip-up armrests and a safety gate in the front. Taking a look back at the boat, you can see the tower and the incorporated bimini. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks and have a great day.